I'm a business owner and I promote my business using Google Ads. I want that as soon as a new lead is generated through Google Ads, that lead should be automatically added as a contact in my CRM application. Now, doing this manually is a very time consuming part because I have to add the contacts one by one myself. But instead of that, I've simply created this connection that now whenever a new Google Ads lead is generated, automatically that lead with the details is created as a contact in my CRM application. Now my team connects with the lead through the CRM platform and the further steps are then followed. Now, if you want to learn how you can create this amazing setup for your own business, for that stay tuned till the end of this video. So now I'm going to create this setup using the software Pabbly Connect. If you want to search for Pabbly Connect, open a new tab and search for www.pabbly.com/connect. You will come to this landing page. Now, if you're logging in for the first time, sign up for free from here. Now, if you're signing up for free for the first time, you will receive 100 free tasks every single month to test and create this setup or test out the features of Pabbly Connect. And if you like using Pabbly Connect and if you want to purchase our yearly or one-time plans, I will suggest you to purchase our one-time plans because you have to pay once and get the access of Pabbly Connect's amazing features forever. If you want additional discounts to purchase yearly or one-time plans, use the code on the left side of my screen to get instant discounts. The same code ANGYT is in the description section as well. So go ahead and use it. I've already signed in to my Pabbly Connect account and I have already created the template of this workflow. Now, if you want to use this free template that I'm using in this video as well, check out the workflow link. It's free to use. It's added in the description section. Okay. So now my trigger is Google Ads new lead form entry. As soon as a new lead is generated through my Google Ads campaign, I want my trigger should capture the response of that. Now let's connect our lead form to our Pabbly Connect. Copy this URL and recapture. Click on this button right here. It says waiting for webhook response. We are going to first go back. This is my lead form that I have created inside my Google Ads. If I'll scroll down till the end, you have to go towards this lead delivery option. Click on it and here you will see the option of webhook integration where paste the webhook URL right here and for the key paste the same URL and remove this data from here and this is the key. So you have added the details. After adding the details, simply click on this apply button and the webhook URL is going to be added in the campaign that you're creating with Google Ads. Okay, but currently I don't have a live campaign running with Google Ads. So now to create the workflow, what you can also do is you can send the test data towards this URL right here and then I'm going to show you how the test data has been captured. So if I'm going to click on this button, you will see it says test data sent. As now it is saying that if I'm going to go back to my trigger, within few seconds you will see the response is captured. This means that the webhook URL is working successfully. Apply the URL and your work is done. Okay. So now every time a new lead will be generated through your campaign, automatically the response of the lead's details will be captured in this trigger as well. So if I'm going to show you the response, this is a dummy phone number. This is the dummy email address. First name and last name is also the dummy data. As now the response has been captured, Google Ads is connected to Pabbly Connect. In this similar manner, you will capture the response of your real-time Google Ads leads. Okay, let's create this person as a contact in our Freshsales account. I use Freshsales as a CRM application in my business. That is why I'm setting up this action step. Click on this connect option and go towards this add new connection section. Now we have to provide the API key and the Freshsales suite domain. Now for that, for the domain first, till this.com from HTTPS is the domain. Copied from here, paste it down in the field. And for the API key, log into your Freshsales account, go towards this profile section and personal settings section. Then go towards this API section right here. I'm not a robot, so I'm going to confirm that. As soon as I have done that, I have to scroll down next, first let it load. Okay, so now under API, CRM API details, as you want to manage the contacts, I'm going to copy this key from here and paste it down in this field and click on the save button. As soon as now I will do that, the connection between Freshsales suite and my Pabbly Connect is successfully created. Now we have to enter our contact details in the respected fields. For the data of these fields, we are going to map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Now in order to map the data, what I will do is Add a slash where I want to enter the details. As it is asking for the email address for my contact, I will search for the email address. This is the email address and I want to create this lead as a contact. So I'll select the data from my previous response, which makes this data mapped and dynamic. Now, whenever a response of a new lead will be captured in the previous step, that new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I will map the data of the first name as well as I will map the data of the last name. It is asking for the other details which I do not require, so I'm going to skip those fields. For the phone number, I'm going to map the data of this mobile number right here. Now there is one point I forgot to tell you. Simply scroll down till the end. You will come to this important note section. So this is the important note. If I want to enter the email address, I need to enter with the prefix. So as it said, work email address. So go back. Next to the email address, just paste work like this, okay? In the similar manner, for the phone number also, you have to enter a prefix. So this is the prefix primary. I'm going to copy it from here and paste it down next to this phone number. So you have to enter the phone number as well as the email address just like this. Then sales owner, I will select the sales owner source. It's a add lead, so I'm going to say display ad. It is asking for other details. Stage is going to be a lead. Status, it's a new lead. I'll select it. I don't require any other field, so I'm going to simply skip the part. And as I don't require any of the fields right here, if you want, you can enter the data according to your requirement. After that, simply I'm going to click on this Save and Send Test Request button. As I've done that, I've received this response with the contact ID. That's a positive response. If I'm going to open my contacts page of my Freshsales account, I've refreshed the page. You will see a new contact is created in front of all of you. The name is first name, last name. That was the test name, test leads details. This is the test email address with the test phone number. Owner is also written right over here. It's a new lead. You can see it's a lead status is new. So as now this lead is successfully added into my Freshsales CRM application, the connection between these two applications is now completed. You also create a connection just like this. Now whenever a real-time lead for your Google Ads will be generated, automatically we'll see that lead will be added into your Freshsales account in this similar manner. Okay. So if you have any questions or doubts related to this connection, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. With that, if you want to purchase our earlier one-time plans, use the code on the left side of my screen. It's right over here. It's very easy. You will get amazing discounts on the purchase. So go ahead and use it. The discounts are limited only. So go and use this code right away. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.